Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Microsoft has started rolling out a major preview update for Windows 11 called KB5095093, bringing several new features, improvements, and fixes ahead of the July 2026 security update. Let's take a quick look at what's new. Point-in-time restore. One of the biggest additions is point-in-time restore. This new recovery feature automatically creates snapshots of your apps, settings, and files. If something goes wrong after an update or system change, you can restore your PC to a previous working state much more easily. Windows Update is also getting better controls. Users can now choose a specific date to resume updates instead of relying on fixed pause periods, giving more flexibility over when updates are installed. Microsoft is also redesigning the widgets experience. Widgets no longer expand automatically on hover. Notifications are reduced, and the interface feels cleaner and less distracting. Accessibility and File Explorer improvements. For accessibility, Windows 11 introduces a new screen tint option to help reduce eye strain. The magnifier tool now offers more precise zoom controls, making it easier to set the exact zoom level you need. File Explorer also receives several improvements, including better path handling, more reliable search suggestions, smoother file renaming, and fixes for duplicate OneDrive items. Bluetooth, phone link, and voice typing. Bluetooth performance has been improved with faster device detection, more stable audio connections, better microphone reliability, and quicker reconnections after sleep or hibernation. Phone link also gets improvements that make call handling between your phone and PC more consistent. In addition, voice access and voice typing now support French, German, and Spanish, while Copilot Plus PCs gain smarter real-time speech recognition and text corrections. Networking, printing, and stability fixes. Microsoft has also improved networking, VPN compatibility, printing setup, touchpad customization, and location settings. The update includes many reliability fixes for File Explorer, Taskbar, Start Menu, multi-monitor setups, Windows subsystem for Linux, and overall system stability. Overall, KB5095093 focuses on making Windows 11 more reliable, easier to recover, and smoother to use every day. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows 11 updates and tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.